our Jubilee theme song. The song draws inspiration from our very own story as people of faith in Albay, our struggles, our hopes, and the enduring presence of God who has been with us every step of the way. The lyrics were written by Mr. Robert Labayen with some heartfelt additions from our very own Bishop, our Bishop Bong, and the music was composed by Mr. Victor Buenconsejo. Instrumentation was arranged by Mr. J.P. Lanuza. The song is brought to life by the voices of Father Dave, Father Pats, Father Iao, Father Pau, Father Jen, Miss Luigi Pola, and Miss Maria Vida Rafaela Candelaria, and our very own Cathedral Choir. This song reminds us of who we are as a diocese. Biniyayaan, inaantabayan, asin sinusugo. Mga tugang hinanyugunta, sinawitunta, 75 taon in pagbaklay.
Biniyayaan kita, nagsusupay an sa iyang kabuotan. Inantabayan kita, kasurok ta siya sa dipisil na dahalan. Sinusuko kita, sisimbaguntaan sa iyang pangaponan. Biniyayaan, inantabayan, sinusugo ang kakurangan. Sararo kita sa atong paglakbay, ang enterong albay, kapos kita maglukyan. Mayon, bantuan tang inampon, sa patag pulot, si mga baybayon. Sa iyang simbahan, halawig na panahon, sa kamot ni Jesus, danayan paglaon. Biniyayaan, inantabayan, sinusuko ng kagurangan. Sararo kita sa sunong pagpaklay, alenterong albay, gabos kita magrokyan.
Sa satong katoon, ulog ang palaanon ng satong pagtubo. Biniyayaan, inantabayan, sinusuko ang kaburangan. Sararo
dekada may 5